Hello, everyone. Welcome to this series of leadership talks that we have been having for so long. And today we have a special guest with us. She has done her BTech in ECE from VIT. Then she has done her Advanced Management Program in Business Analytics from Indian School of Business. It's a 15 months program. And our friend here has immense experience, right? She started working at Fleet Analytics as an intern. Then she worked with ECIL. Then she worked with AiSPRY. And she has worked with IIM Bangalore. And then she started a corporate journey where she joined TCS Digital as business intelligence analyst. Then she worked with Thorogood as a data and analytics consultant. Then she worked with McKinsey as next generation women leader, Asia Pacific, right? And that was for a brief period. And now she's working with Google as insights specialist. I would request you all to welcome Prathyusha. Thank you, Prathyusha, for pulling off time from your busy schedule. It means a lot, and your credentials speak for yourself. So we would like to ask you, and from experts like you, on what kind of analytics work happens in the real world setting, and what are a few of the challenges that you have faced? Would you like to throw some light on that, please?
Yes. Firstly, thank you for having me here and giving me the opportunity to speak. And it's great that you've taken this initiative, sir. And I'm grateful to have been a speaker here and throw some insights and speak about my work as well. So yes, I primarily work in the space of analytics, and I've had experience in data engineering, data analytics, business analytics, and some exposure towards AI as well. And so currently, I work as an insight specialist at Google, where I focus on search data. So when I say search data, meaning search ads, like, so I focus on ads mainly. And like, as you know, Google has ads across various channels. We can see ads on search when we type something on the search bar. If suppose you type running shoes, you see all the ads related to running shoes. Or you will see ads in YouTube, you will see ads in Shorts, you will see ads in Gmail. And I think there are many channels where you see ads, and I particularly focus on search data, so the ads which show up on your search. And yes, I build analytics on it, and I build solutions on how to empower clients and to make them understand how to increase their share, or increase their click-through rate, or the conversions, or help in their campaigns, and optimize their spend, and maybe understand how exactly their entire advertising needs to be done so that their positioning is right in the Google search platform. And of course, there are many AI use cases as well in Google, and I would say, like, I could go on and on forever, but I would like to restrict my the examples which I would like to state in the ads domain, as I work with ads right now. So we have few tools which are AI powered, which help in clients understanding how their campaigns are performing. So when I say how their campaigns are performing, how exactly is their presence across the various Google's ad inventory, like be it search, be it YouTube, be it display, be it on maps, or be it on Gmail. So what these tools help is, they help clients in understanding how their impact is in various channels, and they can understand how to optimize their budget. So this is one solution which I could think of. And currently I am working on an AI powered solution, which where we are trying to understand how exactly spends in various channels, like video or search, or like how we see those rectangular placed ads in sites, that is called DVA, how exactly in spends over there are impacting searches. Like, is there any upliftment in searches? So if, say, suppose my video is maybe contributing to just 10% of the upliftment in searches, so we can maybe like help clients in optimizing their budget and see where exactly their budget needs to be spent, so that the right amount of conversions happen, and they can make the best results out of it. And we have other tools like where uh, again, these are again related to YouTube, where we have tools which automatically convert the long videos to short videos, and it tells us which placement is good, like in search space or even in the video space. And it understands exactly if, like, say suppose a particular NLP, an example of NLP, like if a particular trend line or a headline is more catchy, or whether it attracts more customers, and understanding the comments in YouTube, and how exactly your ad is performing, or how exactly the video is performing. So yes, there are n number of use cases, but I wanted to highlight a few pertaining to the ad space.
Wonderful, wonderful, Pratyusha. These are, a few of the real world business problems which almost all the companies, experience. And I didn't knew that you also look at the comments of the video which
Yes.
is posted to check whether that specific video, if it is advertised, is it going to give desired results or not. Wonderful. I'm really happy to hear
Yes.
such things. And also the placement of the ad. While the video is being played, say I'm talking about some tire manufacturing company. So an ad pertaining to a car or MRF or some kind of a Polo tires ad, probably that makes more sense, right? So wonderful. Very,
Yes.
very happy about that. But I have a follow-up question, Pratyusha. With the emergence of GenAI, ChatGPT taking the center stage, and Google Gemini, Anthropic Claude, Perplexity, with all of these coming in, what do you think will be the future of the Google Ads world as such?
Right. So this is an excellent question, and we have asked this to our leaders itself. So in various talks, and this is like a saying in Google where they encourage us to use AI and Gemini, and they say ki if you do not use it, then you're actually lagging behind, and they encourage us to use it so that we automate our tasks and make it much more. We are not wasting our time in menial tasks, but actually building solutions and products. And your other aspect of Google Ads. So as you all know, AI overview is a new feature which has been launched, I think last year if I'm not wrong, but it wasn't present previously. And we are trying to monetize that space as well. So if, for example, very basic thing, if I say my swimming pool is dirty, then I may get ads. The AI overview might give me suggestions on how exactly my swimming pool can be cleaned exactly. And we're trying to monetize that space also by showing ads about, say, sewage, like chemicals which can help in cleaning the swimming pool, or the maybe machines which can be used. But earlier my ad space would have been, if I would have to specifically write vacuum cleaners or chemicals, then only my ads would come up in the search. But we're trying to make use of AI overview also, and where we try to understand the user intent. Okay, fine, he has come up with a problem, what can I show to solve that problem? So yes, that is a part of GenAI, and we are trying to monetize that space as well with ads. And I don't think the emergence of AI is going to cause any issue, but I think it's going to, in fact, increase our productivity more. And like I said, at Google, they encourage us to use AI as much as possible to automate our tasks, and focus on the real world solutions, rather real world problems, rather than wasting our time in the automation, like menial tasks, is what I would say. So yeah.
Good, good, wonderful. Nice to know that. So, if someone is asking a question or typing a search keyword, you're not just directly showing the results pertaining to that keyword, but you're looking at what is the problem that this guy is
Yes.
trying to solve, and then you're trying to provide relevant ads, which are extremely relevant. Earlier they
Yes.
were relevant, probably now they are hyper relevant.
Yep.
Wonderful.
Yep. Yep.
And the next question is, Pratyusha, a lot of freshers, a lot of people want to surf this wave of AI, Gen AI, agentic AI. They want to get into this field. And if someone has to work alongside you, or if someone junior or senior were to join your department, your company, then what kind of skills would you look for? Given that vibe coding is around the corner, using English-like prompts, people are able to accomplish a lot of tasks. Right. Given all these things, what do you think? What is your take, and what kind of skills would you need from a person working in your department?
Right. Again, this can be categorized into two. One is I would definitely look for a good understanding of the basic programming tools like SQL or Python, whichever are necessary for the job description. And most apart from that is what I would be looking for is how exactly the person approaches the problem or the use case and the analytical skills behind it. Because I believe that generating code and writing a code has become very easy right now, and I, a person who doesn't know a very new language like Scala, for example, I can generate it and I can understand, I can write a code and I can build out of it. So I don't think we need coders anymore, but I think we need an understanding of how to approach the business problem and how to think in a product manner is what I would look for. And how exactly they would approach the solution or approach the problem and derive the solution. Because building data science models, I think yes, that is the main task, but arriving at the right solution by understanding your problem statement. And because at least according to my experience, hyperparameter tuning or the final tuning of the model, that is where a lot of effort is required. And that for that you need to understand what exactly the problem is and what exactly the business requires. So that is something which I would mainly look at, along with the technical skills like, say, suppose core understanding of mathematics and Python and SQL. Because if you do not understand your basics, you will not be able to build any solutions. And yeah, that is what I would say to our viewers.
Wonderful, Prathyusha. Whatever you just said is also in line with World Economic Forum 2030 skills. And
Right.
according to that, programming is not a skill that people have to possess, but analytical skills and problem solving skills. These are the two critical skills. Of course, systems thinking, etc., also were there as part of WEF 2030 skills, which will be expected by 2030. All right. So there you go, friends. Prathyusha is telling that while your basics are needed, your problem solving skills and analytical capabilities, the way you approach the problem, will be critical in figuring
Yes.
out whether job should be given or not, right? Because all these codes, lines of code pertaining to algorithms, etc., can be generated. If you spend some decent time on prompting, then you'll get
Yes.
good response, good code, which is error free and can be deployed on Docker or Kubernetes and eventually on AWS or Azure or GCP, and people can start using that. Even your user interface can be built, not just
Yes.
using Streamlit any longer, using React.js,
Yes.
Node.js, Next.js, etc. So thank you so much, Prathyusha. With 700,000 plus subscribers that we have, I'm sure a lot of people will watch this and they will reap the benefits of the pointers that you have given. Thank you once again for pulling off time from your busy schedule. Do stay in touch, and all the
Yes.
very best for your future. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much,
Thanks a
Prathyusha.
lot. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
sir.
Take care.
See you. Bye.